Operational amplifiers. Operational amplifiers (op-amps) are an integral part of many analog and mixed signal systems. Op-amps with vastly different levels of complexity are used to realize functions ranging from DC bias generation to high-speed amplification or filtering. The design of op-amps continues to pose a challenge as the supply voltage and transistor channel length scale down with each generation of CMOS technologies. This chapter deals with the analysis and design of CMOS op-amps following a review of performance parameters. We described simple op-amps such as telescopic and folded cascode topologies. Next, we study two-stage and gain boosting configurations and the problem of common mode feedback. Finally, we introduce the concept of slew rate and analyze the effect of supply rejection and noise in op-amps. Thank you.